Hi, I'm Ken Partain with Central Texas Technology Solutions in Georgetown. I have spoken in the past many times about how important backups are, and we talk with clients about that all the time. So today I want to share with you a strategy called a 3-2-1 backup strategy. Now this strategy was actually created or attributed to a photographer by the name of Peter Crow. He came up with this in order to save the documents and photographs and images and things like that that he had spent so much time preparing and editing and things of that nature. So this applies really well. It's a common practice, it's a common strategy, and again, it's called a 3-2-1 backup strategy. And very simply, it's three. You want to keep 3 copies of your data, so the original and at least 2 copies. You want to use 2 different media devices. So this can be external hard drive, it could be a flash drive, CDs and DVDs, or even a network attached storage device. There are a lot of different media types that you can use for these backups, but it's important to use more than one. And then you want to keep 1 copy off-site. So completely separate from your office environment, whether that's in the cloud, whether that's on one of those media types off-site at a different location, lockbox, a second location, whatever. The reason for that is if something happened to the building itself, if there were a natural disaster like a tornado or a hurricane or something like that that took out your entire building, you would have a backup of your data in some other location. So additional protection that is related to having that offsite data is keeping that completely offline, and that's what's referred to as air-gapped. So so that it's not even available online to hackers and things of that nature. If we can help you with a backup strategy and helping to back up your computer network, please give us a call at 512-388-5559. You can also find us on the web at cttsonline.com. If you have found this information helpful, please be sure and follow our Facebook page, LinkedIn page, and YouTube page for future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.